My name is Akshat Trivedi and I am leading the team Algo Pirates for this hackathon, Rajasthan Police Hackathon. And my role in this team is to integrate multiple components of this project. And furthermore, my teammates will introduce.
Hello, I am Krishnakant Dwivedi, handling all the backend operations of this project. I have built various secured APIs for this project and deployed our backend project on Compass Atlas, which is a cutting-edge technology for backend.
Hello, my name is Ayush Kumar Singh. My role in this project is to build an interactive chatbot which will be used for a specific purpose.
Hello, my name is Harsh Bansal. I am the front-end developer of this project. My role was to develop a single-page web application based using React.js and Tailwind CSS.
We chose problem statement number 1 given by Rajasthan Police, which is police feedback system. So before moving toward our solution, we will be understanding what are the hindrance and problems faced by Rajasthan Police. So there is no digital record of FIR holders and there is a gap between citizen as well as police. So we are developing an e-portal which will be handling all this stuff, and there are multiple functionalities such as user can file EFIR and can file an emergency complaint which requires no login and even no signups. This is for emergency condition. And there is a particular dedicated dashboards for user, super admins and admins. User can track his FIR and can get a copy of FIR, as well as super admins can manage the admins and its credentials. Now let us think of a scenario where the user is quite illiterate or not having a good exposure to technologies. So we are using multilingual platform which provides all the application and all the content in regional language. And here admin can track the application, can get an analysis of the data, and can also track the particular crime rate of a particular area. So for providing the best user experience on our application, we have created a chatbot which gives response to the every query given by the user and can also help the user to file an EFIR. And we have also created a bulk messaging tool which can be used on emergency purposes or on various events where we want to send or admin want to send a particular message to each and every user of our platform. And this is all about our solution which we are proposing, and there are multiple future scopes which can enhance our project to a certain level. Thank you.
So as you can see, this is our GitHub repository in which we have the live link of this website and it is deployed on Vercel. So this is our live link and this is our online portal, and here as you can see there is a get started button. In this button what you will do, you can click on this and you can file an emergency complaint. And what is this emergency complaint? This is used in such cases in which you want to apply any complaint without any login or sign up. Okay, so furthermore if you go, there is a pending application and there is a button of track your application here. By clicking on this button, what you will do is that you can track your online or live FIR which you have already filed, and you can check in which phase it is going. Then you can further, if you want to go to your dashboard, you can further sign up, and when you sign up it will create a user in the database, and then you can log in with the same credentials. Then after that, here this is the user dashboard. After that there's a admin dashboard also in which you can log in. There is no need of sign up, in which you have to just log in with your credentials as an admin role. And then here, this is the admin dashboard. Here as you can see there is a data visualization chart and the bar graph of it. Here you can see different police stations and their crime rate and the different types of applications applied for a specific area of police station. Here analysis is done for such cases to understand the level of crime rates and which type of crime is more. Then there is active FIR list in which you can check or you can search or fetch the different types of FIRs with the name, with the address, or with the, and also you can manage admins here, in which different types of admins are holding different types of or representing different types of police stations. So you can check which admin is doing what and what type of complaints are coming from which police stations. So, and there is active FIR option also, where you can check the active FIRs from different police stations. So it will ease the process of admins, and also for super admins also it will also multiple cut.
So the reason behind selecting this problem statement is as everyone knows about the frequently occurring cases and the delay in reporting the cases.
As you've seen our progress update, now we'll move on to our future plans. First of all, we can implement a GPS system into our application so that in case of an emergency, an automated message can be generated and sent to the nearest police station. We will be using SOS technology to implement this. We can also implement a dedicated analysis machine learning model which will provide the most accurate data from past FIR and can provide data such as frequently occurring crimes, hotspot area of the crime. It can also create a ranking of the performing police stations which will help in the audit. We will be creating a mobile application so that each and every individual can access our portal very easily.